If Telegram feels a little slow when playing videos, or if you want smoother playback and better performance, then enabling hardware acceleration can make a big difference. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable hardware acceleration in Telegram step by step, so you can turn on hardware accelerated video decoding in just a few seconds. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Telegram on your desktop. Once you're inside Telegram, look at the top left corner of the app and click the menu icon. This is the three-line menu that opens up all of Telegram's main options. From there, click Settings. This will take you into the main settings panel where you can customize how Telegram works on your device. Next, in the Settings menu, look for Advanced and click on it. The Advanced section is where Telegram keeps performance options, app behavior settings, and other technical features. Once you're inside Advanced, scroll down carefully until you find the Hardware Acceleration option. You should see a setting labeled Hardware Accelerated Video Decoding. All you need to do now is enable it. Just click the toggle to turn it on. When this is enabled, Telegram can use your device's hardware to help decode video more efficiently, which may improve playback performance and reduce strain on your system. After turning it on, you can close the settings and continue using Telegram as normal. That's it. Hardware acceleration is now enabled in Telegram. It's a simple change, but it can help improve your video experience, especially if you watch a lot of media inside the app. If this video was useful, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you want more Telegram tips and tricks.